Fortnite is finally back on iOS, and it's better than ever.
You might ask, why is it better than ever? Well, now it uses way less battery, and you will get top-notch performance. Let's get straight to it. The first step is opening the link in the description. That link will take you over to this website. From this website, you want to click the share button. Scroll down and go ahead and click add to home screen. Click add, and then it should now be on your home screen. The next step is opening the GeForce Now app. From here, you want to click agree and continue, and then click the account icon in the top right. From here, you want to create a GeForce Now account. The easiest step to create an account is clicking in login with Apple. After you verify your identity, you should see this screen. You are now logged in. From here, click done. From here, you should see the button that says connect your store accounts. Click it, and then go ahead and click connect next to Epic Games. From here, you want to sign in with your Fortnite account, and after you do that, you should see the screen. From here, you can click done, and then click close. Now you can go back to the main menu and click games. From here, click Fortnite, and then click play. At this step, you might have to wait a bit to find an available rig. After a bit of wait, you should see this screen, and it will tell you your rig is ready. From here, click continue, and you can now play Fortnite on iOS. And here, all the mobile controls will work normally, and again, it's better than ever, using less battery than ever, and the best performance. As you guys can see, Fortnite is now working on my iOS device. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little tutorial on how to get it on your iOS device, and if you did, smash that like button down below, and hit that subscribe button to be notified of all my other uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video.